So a few days ago, the Mini 3 Pro had a major functional upgrade, which amongst other things allowed you to adjust the braking speed, the braking sensitivity. Now, two things I want to test today. First of all, one, to see the consequences of reducing that sensitivity. When I was actually doing my video going through the changes the other day, I will admit that the extended braking distance of the Mini 3 Pro in flight did surprise me and almost caught me out. I was worried it was just going to go sailing on into a tree. So today I want to do two things. One, show exactly how long it takes to slow down when you've got that braking sensitivity reduced. But the other part of the test is to make sure that if you've got the obstacle avoidance on, that is in no way compromised, and that the braking distance is still going to be much sharper if it feels like it's going to hit something. Now, I don't necessarily want my drone to crash into an inanimate object, so I'm going to be that obstacle, and obviously I can move out of the way if need be. I'm going to be using the entire length of my garden. You can see down here. So the idea is going to be simple enough. We're going to be flying. I'm going to try and get up to full speed, and then halfway along I'll let go of the sticks and watch how long it takes to come to a halt. And then the second part of the test will be flying at full pace directly to me being the object, and seeing at what point it stops, and hopefully it will, or I'll have to duck quickly. So it should be good fun, but it'll also demonstrate what I think is a pretty important point, and that is, how is the braking affected when you adjust the braking sensitivity. So without further ado, let's get the drone up and see what happens. So first things, obviously I have to go into settings. I'm in normal mode. I want to go to control, down to gain and expo, and in normal I'm going to reduce the braking sensitivity down from 150 down to 10. Right, so the idea is when it passes that little table, that's when I'm going to press let go. Let's see how we get on. Forwards and let go. Okay, and it has come to a stop there. And let go. That is a good 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Yeah. So that was a good 13 meters. That's going to be around 40 feet to stop. I'm going to do it one more time because I wasn't actually aware of how fast I was traveling. Okay, let's do another little test there. That's quite good. Right. And forwards. And let go. And exactly the same. He stopped at exactly the same spot. Okay, so thank you, dogs. Okay, so 13 meters to come to a stop. That's not too good. It's a severe consequence of bringing down that brake sensitivity. We do have a pause button as well. I want to see how quickly it will come to a stop if you initiate the pause. So we're still on the same 10 lowest sensitivity going. Let's bring it forwards, and the moment I go over the table, this time I'm going to hit the pause button. Okay. Oh, I pressed it too long there. I've initiated the return to home, so hang on a second. Get out of that. Obviously, if you keep the pause button pressed down for more than a few seconds, it initiates a return to home. But look, that looks good as well. So let's just do it one more time, straight along, and press pause. There, stops dead. Okay, that's very good. Right, and so the second part of the test is going to be the one with more fun. Going to bring it down slightly lower. Now I know roughly where it will stop. I'm going to see whether or not I can make it fly to me and see if it will go straight on. Right, so flying straight towards myself. Okay, so that is good. I've still got full. Let's go back. Do one more, but I think we've kind of proved our point here. So, full speed towards me. Okay, brilliant. Okay, nice simple test there. Ooh, don't want to be looking in the sun, so let's just move the camera around. Okay, so that was actually a very, very useful test. Genuinely surprised at how long it takes to slow down when you let go of the sticks. I was not expecting to be a full 13, 14 meters. That's well over 40 feet. And if you rely on letting go of the sticks to stop your drone, you really had better watch out. Good to know that the obstacle avoidance still works. Of course, if you're in sports mode, the obstacle avoidance is switched off. Now, like I said in the video the other day, I'm actually struggling to think of a scenario as to why you would actually reduce the braking sensitivity. It doesn't really impact the smoothness of the video that you're filming. So again, tread carefully if you're going to start adjusting the brake sensitivity. For me, I've actually left it at full strength in all three modes. Certainly though, in cine mode and normal mode, as long as you've got the obstacle avoidance switched on, it shouldn't actually go sailing into anything, which is a good thing to know. It's also good to know that the emergency brake still works, which you'd kind of hope it would. So, but it's nice to have that confirmed once and for all. So look, there we go. Interesting little test. This is one of the more unusual changes to the control and function of the drone that DJI have introduced. It's great. It allows you to have full control over how your drone behaves. Like I keep saying, tread carefully and adjust the sensitivity with care. For me, I'm leaving it up at the full sensitivity in all three modes. Anyway, look, as ever, give me a little thumbs up if this has helped you along. Finally, it stopped raining in the UK. A month of rain, wettest March ever, I think it was, or at least for 60 years. We've got some sun running up to Easter. So look, wherever in the world you are, whatever you're doing, until next time, have fun, happy flying.